How to update parent state in React. My structure looks as follows. Component 1, Component 2, Component 4, Component 5, Component 3. Component 3 should display some data depending on the state of Component 5. Since props are immutable, I can't simply save its state in Component 1 and forward it, right? And yes, I've read about Redux, but don't want to use it. I hope that it's possible to solve it just with React. Am I wrong? For child-parent communication, you should pass a function setting the state from parent to child, like this. This way the child can update the parent state with the call of a function passed with props. But you will have to rethink your component structure, because as I understand components 5 and 3 are not related. One possible solution is to wrap them in a higher level component which will contain the state of both component 1 and 3. This component will set the lower level state through props. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to learn JavaScript. We have a number of awesome tutorials in the works.